Dark chocolate with a cocoa content of 85% or higher is one of the most concentrated natural sources of polyphenol in the human diet, particularly flavonoids like catechins, epicatechins, and procyanidins. Despite being a treat often associated with indulgence, high-percentage dark chocolate, when consumed in moderation and without excessive added sugar, ranks among the most physiologically active foods for supporting cardiovascular, neurological, and metabolic health. Its dense nutrient profile, including significant amounts of magnesium, iron, copper, fiber, and antioxidant compounds, makes it a valuable functional food with benefits comparable to those of deeply pigmented fruits like blueberries. The cardiovascular advantages of dark chocolate are among its most extensively documented. Flavonoids in cocoa have been shown to improve endothelial function by enhancing nitric oxide production, which promotes vasodilation and reduces arterial stiffness. This vasodilatory effect improves circulation, lowers blood pressure, and enhances nutrient and oxygen delivery throughout the body. Benefits particularly relevant for individuals at risk for hypertension, atherosclerosis, or vascular complications of diabetes. Several clinical trials and meta-analyses support the regular intake of high-flavonoid cocoa in small quantities as an effective, food-based intervention for cardiovascular protection. Cognitive health is another domain where dark chocolate shines, due largely to the same nitric oxide enhancing mechanisms that support vascular function. Increased cerebral blood flow, particularly to the hippocampus and prefrontal cortex, has been observed following the consumption of high-flavonoid cocoa, leading to improvements in attention, working memory, and cognitive flexibility. The presence of methylxanthine such as theobromine and small amounts of caffeine further enhance alertness and mood, offering a gentle mental boost without the jitteriness associated with more concentrated stimulants. Over time, regular consumption of dark chocolate may contribute to long-term neuroprotection, with studies linking cocoa flavonoids to reduced risk of cognitive decline and enhanced synaptic plasticity. Dark chocolate also plays a meaningful role in metabolic regulation. The fiber content in 85% or higher dark chocolate, especially when sourced from minimally processed cacao, can help blunt the glycemic response, promote satiety, and support healthy gut flora. Cacao polyphenol act as prebiotics, selectively promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, which are themselves associated with improved insulin sensitivity, reduced systemic inflammation, and better nutrient absorption. These gut-mediated effects complement dark chocolate's direct impact on glucose metabolism, including improved insulin responsiveness and reduced oxidative stress in pancreatic tissue. Magnesium, one of the most abundant minerals in dark chocolate, contributes to its calming and restorative effects. Magnesium is critical for over 300 enzymatic reactions, including those involved in muscle relaxation, nerve transmission, and stress modulation. It also supports healthy blood pressure, bone formation, and the synthesis of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. This makes dark chocolate not only a heart-healthy food but also a mood-enhancing one, capable of reducing anxiety, improving sleep quality, and stabilizing emotional fluctuations through both its mineral content and sensory pleasure. Iron and copper are additional trace minerals found in meaningful amounts in dark chocolate, especially when derived from ethically sourced, minimally processed cacao beans. These minerals support oxygen transport, red blood cell formation, immune resilience, and mitochondrial energy production. In diets where meat intake is limited, dark chocolate can serve as a surprising but effective source of non-heme iron, especially when paired with vitamin C, rich fruits to enhance absorption. Copper, meanwhile, works synergistically with iron and is necessary for maintaining elastin and collagen in blood vessels and connective tissue. Importantly, dark chocolate also contains bioactive lipids, primarily in the form of cocoa butter, which provides a balanced profile of oleic, stearic, and palmitic acids. While the saturated fat content may initially seem concerning, stearic acid, unlike other saturated fats, has been shown to have a neutral or even beneficial effect on LDL cholesterol and does not appear to raise cardiovascular risk. The presence of healthy fats in dark chocolate also supports slow digestion, nutrient absorption, and sustained energy without the sharp glucose fluctuations associated with high-sugar snacks. The antioxidant capacity of dark chocolate is exceptionally high, rivaling or exceeding that of blueberries, blackberries, and acai when measured by ORAC, oxygen radical absorbance capacity, values. These antioxidants directly combat oxidative stress, protect cellular structures including DNA and membranes, and reduce lipid peroxidation, a mechanism implicated in the progression of chronic diseases from cancer to neurodegeneration. When consumed as part of a balanced diet rich in colorful fruits and vegetables, dark chocolate acts as a potent complementary antioxidant, enhancing overall redox balance and cellular resilience. In culinary use, dark chocolate is incredibly adaptable. It pairs beautifully with nuts, seeds, berries, and yogurt to create nutrient-dense snacks or desserts. Its bitter complexity also complements savory dishes, especially in cuisines that incorporate chocolate in sauces, such as traditional Mexican mole. When selecting dark chocolate, quality and processing matter. Look for products with minimal added sugar, no hydrogenated fats, and cocoa content above 85% to ensure maximal health benefits with minimal additives. In conclusion, dark chocolate with high cocoa content is far more than a pleasurable indulgence. It is a highly functional food that delivers potent cardiovascular, cognitive, and metabolic support through its rich matrix of flavonoids, minerals, and prebiotic fibers. Its capacity to enhance nitric oxide production, protect against oxidative damage, and promote mood and mental clarity makes it a smart addition to a wellness-focused diet. When enjoyed in moderation and sourced from high-quality ingredients, dark chocolate offers a rare combination of sensory pleasure and deep physiological benefit, proving that nutrition and enjoyment need not be mutually exclusive.